Hi, this is Sushmita, and today I'm here to talk to you about how effective the hit anti-roach gel is for killing cockroaches. Let's start. This fast and odorless cockroach killer is the perfect do-it-yourself solution to attack cockroaches and their nests. It contains no harmful industrial-grade chemicals or agricultural insecticide, thereby making it safe to apply in the kitchen as well. On consumption of the gel, cockroaches go back to their nest and die, thereby ensuring the elimination of other cockroaches too. This is a completely odorless gel and causes no discomfort during or after the application. One round of application ensures there are no cockroaches in the house for up to 45 days. So go ahead and use it along the nooks and corners frequented by the cockroaches. They're also available in different combos, so you can pick based on your needs.